traditional mocktail recipe. So, here I have the ingredient. First is pomelo and some peppermint leaf. This leaf I will use later for the garnish, yeah. And then nata de coco and basil seed, ice cube, condensed milk, water, and raspberry syrup. Okay, so easy to make it. First, raspberry syrup. If you don't have raspberry syrup, you also can use cocoa pandan syrup. It's okay, whatever. The most important is the color must be red, yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Woo. And some ice cube. Wow. Okay. Then pomelo. Hey, I have big questions about pomelo. In Indonesia, we call it jeruk Bali. Why must Bali? Why not jeruk Aceh or jeruk Papua or jeruk Maluku? Because you will find this pomelo everywhere in Indonesia. In every city, you will find it. But better to call this jeruk Indonesia or jeruk Nusantara. Okay, whatever. It's just a bullshit. Okay. Now, add the pomelo. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Now, nata de coco. 1, 2, 3. 3 spoons, yeah. And then basil seed. 1, 2, and 3 also. Ooh. Then condensed milk, but I will not use 1 sachet, maybe because I don't like too sweet, so I will use just half sachet, yeah. But if you like really sweet like that, you can use all, okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ooh. Ooh. Next step is add some water. Wow. Then garnish. Oops. Why it's saying? Okay, I don't want to. Maybe just a bit. Okay, now it's done.